Italy has further tightened its coronavirus measures with mandatory vaccines for more public sector workers and a ban on entry to certain venues for the unvaccinated. From 6th of December, those who have not received a jab against COVID-19 will not be allowed into restaurants, cinemas or sports events. On Wednesday, the World Health Organization said the situation in Europe is very alarming, and the European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen called for countries to step up vaccination efforts to control the virus. Judith Prescott reports on the situation across the continent.
Another COVID-19 patient clings to life in this Czech Republic intensive care unit. The country is going through a record-breaking coronavirus infection wave, reaching close to 26,000 daily cases on Tuesday. Doctors in some hospitals say unvaccinated people now occupy all the ICU beds.
Last week, the situation was such that only one patient out of 9 was vaccinated. And now this week, no one is vaccinated. So from my point of view, these numbers certainly show the impact that a vaccination has on the fate of the patient.
The Czech government has brought in new restrictions, targeting those that are still unvaccinated. From Monday, only people who have received the jab or have recovered from COVID-19 will be allowed to attend public events and visit bars and restaurants. Germany, meanwhile, is facing a sombre pandemic milestone. The country is poised to pass 100,000 coronavirus deaths this week. In the Bavaria region, some hospitals have been overwhelmed and needed to move seriously ill patients to other parts of the country. Some politicians have called for the introduction of mandatory vaccines like its neighbour Austria. Booster shots have now become the focus for Brussels. President of the EU Commission, Ursula von der Leyen, has called on governments to provide an extra jab for every adult.
We're very alarmed. We have just surpassed, very sadly, the 1.5 million death mark last week. If we continue on the current course, we are projecting a further over 500,000, 500,000 deaths by spring next year.
Italy was once the epicenter of the virus in Europe and is now once again facing surging infection numbers. The country is set to introduce a super green pass to replace the current COVID-19 pass system.